Firstly, I would like to show you guys the earning proof. I genuinely made more than $150 just by selling photos and videos. It is going to be a super easy and you guys are literally going to enjoy earning this way. I would have hardly spent 1 to 2 minutes capturing a photo or video, since I have other businesses to work with. Think if you really get into this and do it perfectly, you are literally going to earn more than $500 passively, just by uploading photos and videos. I would proudly like to quote that it does not need any investment, you don't need to have any photographic skills, and also you don't need any DSLR or professional cameras to work. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection, and trust me, you guys going to earn a lot. Watch this video till the end. I have included some secret tips. Without further delay, let's get started. Open up whatever the browser you like, and just type in the website shown here, which is foap.com. This is the website's initial interface, and it appears quite minimalistic. By the way, this is a brand section, and we don't have any work here. We're here to sell our photos and videos, not to buy them. You just need to click on Switch on Creators, and you are good to go. As you can see on the screen, it has an app for both Android and iOS, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can simply take photos and videos on the go and upload them directly from your phone. It says, simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash. It also states that when a brand, agency, or anyone who appreciates your work purchases a video or photo from your online photo portfolio, we split the profit 50-50 with you. You should now understand how they work. They basically drive traffic to your content and split the revenue equally between you and FOAP. This website has also been on popular media networks like ABC News, CNN, BBC, etc. Let's get right to the point now. Here you will find an option called Missions. You just click on it. Here you will find a lot of missions that will pay a lot more than expected. You just need to upload the video moments of your family, and for that you will be paid $300. This is crazy, right? There are two types of missions. One is video and the other one is image. There is another video mission of the workout. You just need to upload the workout videos and you will be paid for that. There are multiple other video missions as well. They are not at all complicated. Here are some image missions where you need to upload high-quality images. High quality in the sense that you don't need any sort of professional cameras or studio lighting. If you have a mobile phone, then you are good to go. Let's see the market of FOAP, where people upload their images and make good money through this. This is a basic photo, a guy wearing some colors and smiling towards the camera, and they have set the price of $10 for this basic image. Here there are multiple images related to food. Let's check this out. This is literally a waffle image which is not even prepared properly. For this they charge $10. Here you can check out the ratings provided by the buyers. There are 204 ratings for this image, which means more than 250 or 300 people have purchased this image. Let's use the calculator to calculate the potential earnings. Consider the minimum purchasers of 220 people, each of whom paid $10 for this image. It happens to be $2,200, and the FOAP will charge 50%, so the creator literally got more than $1,100 just by uploading this simple image. I just entered 220 people's entries. It would definitely be more than 300, then think of it. All you have to do is click the sign up button, enter some basic information, and you're ready to go. You can download their app and capture photos and videos to upload directly from your phone. Since you have watched this video till now, let me share with you my secret. By using a secret method, I generated more than $150. You just need to go to this website called Pexels. You can also use Shutterstock. You can just scroll through images and videos and you will automatically get an idea of what to capture or record. You can't just download and upload to FOAP, since these images are prohibited to sell on other images, but you can copy their style and way of representation. That's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. If so, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to earn more, click on this video. Until then, earn and rejoice.